young professionals አሜሪካ የምትኖሩ 100,000 plus የምትሰሩ 200,000 you're paying depending on የት እንደምትኖሩ 20,000 plus ለኢንካም ታክስ every year አንከሳ የምትከፍሉት ማለት ነው you can offset that by buying property when I say buying property the business purpose ማለት ነው you can buy a property with no money ምን ብር ሳትከፍሉ መግዛት ትችላላችሁ that property የምትከፍሉትን yearly income tax offset ያደርግላችኋል ማለት ነው so of course I'm not a CPA tax professional real estate seasoned የሆነ CPA ፈልጉና talk about it will save you huge amount of money every single year እዛ የምትከፍሉትን አንደኛ property ይኖርሃል you'll building wealth appreciate የሚያደርግ ነገር at the same time tax benefit ያለው ማለት ነው every year you can buy another property you just give it to a property management and then pad split co-living will generate you income ማለት ነው at the same time tax benefit አለ plus building wealth ማለት ነው